Hello students, in the last 3 lectures we see the basic definition of the matrix and the examples on it. Okay, in this lecture we see the algebra of the matrices. Algebra means it is a addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, now how to find the addition of the two matrix or subtraction or multiplication, scalar multiplication and the division. Okay, here in the matrix there is a division is not actually done, it is a division in the form of the inverse of the matrix, and inverse of matrix we learn in the class 12. Okay, now in this chapter we see the addition, subtraction and the multiplication of the matrices. Okay, now first we see the scalar multiplication of the matrix. That means we multiply matrix by a scalar, okay, by a number. Okay, here see carefully, let it is a it is a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, suppose it is Aij. Okay, it is a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, suppose it is a 3 by 3, that is A is equal to, first element it is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. Now we multiply this matrix by a scalar. Okay, here it is a K is a scalar. Okay, then therefore we find it is a K into matrix A. That means K into this matrix. Okay, here this matrix it is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23 and then A31, A32 and A33. Okay, here the scalar multiplication of the matrix is we multiply by a scalar K to the matrix A. That means we multiply all elements in the matrix. Okay, all elements in the matrix by the scalar K. Okay, their order does not matter. Okay, here it is a, we can, for example we can take the 3 by 3 matrix. Here it is a 3 by 2 matrix, 2 by 3 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, any matrix. Okay, order doesn't matter. Here we multiply all elements in that matrix, okay, by K, and therefore K into all elements, that is K into A11, K into A12, K into A13, K into A21, K into A22, K into A23 and then K into A31, K into A32, K into A33. Okay, here it is the scalar multiplication. That means we multiply matrix by a scalar. That means we multiply all elements in the matrix by the scalar. Okay, for example here see carefully, here if A is equal to, here order does not matter, it is a 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1. Okay, then find it is a 4A. Okay, find 4A, it is A, therefore we can write it is a 4A means 4 into this matrix, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1. Now we multiply all elements by 4. Okay, it is a scalar multiplication of the matrix. We multiply all elements by 4. Therefore 4 into 2 it is 8, 12, then again 16, 4, 12 and it is a 4. Okay, we multiply all elements by 4. That means this matrix it is a 4A. Okay, it is a 4A. Okay, now we see another example. If B is equal to 2, 1, 5, 3, 1, minus 2, 0, 5, 1, then find minus 2b. Okay, we want to find minus 2b. Say carefully here. Minus 2b, that means we multiply by minus 2 to the matrix B. And matrix B, it is a 2, 1, 5. 3, 1, minus 2. 0, 5, and it is 1. Okay, and then the resultant matrix, it is a minus 2b. It is, we multiply minus 2 by all elements to the matrix B. Therefore, it is minus 4. It is minus 2. It is minus 10. Minus 6. Minus 2. It is a 4. Minus 2 into minus 2. It is 4. Minus 2 into 0. It is a 0. Minus 10, and it is minus 2. We multiply all elements in the matrix B by 2. It is the scalar multiplication. Okay, see carefully there. It is a scalar multiplication. Okay, scalar multiplication of the matrix. That means we multiply a matrix by a scalar. Okay, here. Now we see next the addition of the matrix and the subtraction. Next, addition. Okay. Addition of the matrices. Okay, here in the scalar multiplication of matrix, there is the order of matrix does not matter, but in the addition of two matrices, here in the scalar multiplication there is one matrix. Therefore, to compare the order, there is a second matrix not available. Okay, only the scalar into matrix. But here addition of two matrices, that means we have the two matrix. Okay, then here is a condition. Addition of matrix is exist if they have same order. That means the two matrices whose addition we will get are have a same order. Okay, here see carefully. Here it is a condition. See carefully. Addition of matrices is exist if they have same order here, and then adding the corresponding element. Second step, adding the corresponding elements. Adding the corresponding elements in both matrix. Okay, here see carefully. First, addition is exist if they have same order, and then they add the corresponding element. That is, in the first matrix the 1 1 position element is added into the second matrix 1 1 position element. Then the first matrix 1 2 position is added into the second matrix 1 2 position. Okay, here now we see example. Here, if A is equal to 5 6 2 1 and B is equal to 2 3 4 minus 2. Okay, then find A plus B. Then A plus B, see carefully, we want to find A plus B. Then it is a 5 6 2 1. First check the order of the matrix. 2 3 4 minus 2. Okay, both matrix A and B have the same order, so we can adding these two matrix. Okay, now an addition is adding the corresponding element. Here 1 1 position, here 1 1 position, that is a 5 plus 2, then 6 plus 3, then 2 plus 4, and it is a 1 plus, it is a minus 2. Okay, and the resultant matrix is 5 plus 2, it is a 7, 6 plus 3, it is a 9, 2 plus 4, it is a 6, and 1 plus minus 2, that is a minus 1. It is A plus B. This matrix becomes A plus B. See carefully. Addition. It is the addition. Okay, addition of two matrices exists if they have same order. Okay, we see another example. If A is equal to 2, 4, 5, minus 2, 1, 6, 1, 4, 1, and B is equal to 3, 1, 2, 5, it is minus 2, minus 1. Okay. Then find A plus B. See carefully. Okay. Therefore, A plus B. It is a 2, 4, 1. 5 minus 2, 4. 1, 6, 1. Plus 3, 1, 2, 5. Minus 2, minus 1. Okay. The addition of these two matrices does not exist. Why? Because the matrix A and matrix B have different order. It is a 3 by 2 and it is a 3 by 3 and it is a 3 by 2. Okay, you cannot adding the corresponding element. That means 1 1, it is 1 1, 1 2, it is 1 2. Here it is a 1 3, but in this matrix the third column is absent. So here you cannot get the element 1 3 position, that is the first row third column, because here are only the two columns. That means if we want to addition of the two matrices, there is one condition, that is the matrices have the same order. Okay, now we can take for the same order. Here it is a 0 1 5. Here we take 0 1 and it is 5. Okay, now adding these two. Okay, adding the corresponding elements, it is a 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 corresponding 4 plus 1 and it is 1 plus 0. 5 plus 2, minus 2 plus 5 and 4 plus 1. 1 minus 2, then 6 minus 1, 6, it is minus 1, and 1 plus 5, it is the addition, and then the resultant matrix, it is adding the number. It is 5 5 1, 7 3 5, minus 1 5, and it is a 6. It is a A plus B. That means adding these two matrices if the order of the matrix is same, and then add the corresponding element. Okay, this step is not necessary to write in the example. We can directly write the addition. It is a 2 plus 3, we can directly write 5. It is a 4 plus 1, we can directly write 5. 1 plus 0, we can directly write 1. Okay, here it is for the okay, here see carefully, it is a addition. Now subtraction is also same, only subtract it. Okay, subtraction is exist if the matrices have same order. Okay, subtraction. Okay, A minus B, and then we subtract it. Corresponding elements are the subtract. Okay, A plus B, then it is a minus B, and A minus B we can write here. It is A minus B. This is also the addition, A plus minus B. When we find A minus B, we multiply the matrix B by minus, and then it add into A, that is A plus minus B. But this step cannot be necessary. We can directly subtract A minus B. Okay, here we get plus, then it is, when it is a minus, it is minus, then here it is minus, and it is minus, then we get the answer here. 5 minus 2, 3, 6 minus 3, 3. 2 minus 4 minus 2, and here 1 minus minus 2, it is a plus 3. It is a subtraction, that is a A minus B. Okay, see carefully, addition, subtraction. Okay, now we see the examples on the scalar multiplication of matrix and the addition and the subtraction of the matrix. Okay, here